the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. So yeah, I'm here again with one more super easy and effective homemade recipe for your skin. So what it is, if you want to know, then please keep on watching. So I just love my face, and I just love my face feeling smoother and softer. But one thing which restricts me is my facial hair. I hate my facial hair because my makeup can't apply smoothly and it feels rough, and also it feels gross. Like, I feel gross. So yeah, I use like a face shaver, but it is not so safe. Like, for beginners it is not safe. I would not recommend. So how can you remove your facial hair at home? So I have got a super easy recipe. You would not need any agar-agar or something like that. You can make this super easy homemade facial remover just like that, and it works, guys. I would show you the result and how to apply everything in this video. So yes, please keep on watching, and yes, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, because I bring super affordable and super effective skincare and beauty recipes for all of you guys. So yeah, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, you would be needing some gram flour. Here I have a spoon and a half of gram flour, and in this we would be mixing some milk. You can use raw milk or boiled milk, whatever you have. So I would be mixing a spoon and a little bit more than that, and I would make a paste out of it, a thick paste. So I have mixed it up, and now I would be adding my secret ingredient, which is now not a secret. So here it is, the Everyouth orange peel off mask. So yeah, we would be adding this, and this is our main ingredient for this recipe. So I would be adding a spoonful and mixing it up really well. So once again, I would be adding a spoonful, and this is it. And now I would be mixing it really well. So as you can see, the mixture is a little thick. I would add few drops of milk in it, very few, and give it a nice mix, because if the mix is really thick, it won't dry up quickly. So it should be not really thick and not really thin. So this is the right thing we need. So yeah, our mix is ready, and now I would show you how to apply and how to remove everything. So yeah, this is ready, and now I will be showing you how to apply this. So you can use the spoon as well, or you can use your fingers. I'm using a brush over here. So just grab a little amount on your brush and apply it like this. Apply it in a thin layer, not a very thick layer, otherwise it won't dry up soon. Just avoid applying it on your eyebrows, otherwise you would be just, you know what I mean, right? So yeah, this is it, and you have to leave it to dry, and when it is not wet, it is dry, I would show you how to remove it. So yeah, at last I have removed all the peel off mask from my face. Yeah, I know it was a long process, it was a lengthy process, but yes, it is working, guys, because I had pulled off some of my sideburns. I have the piece right here with me. It is having some of my sideburns, and yeah, it was paining because sideburns are generally more longer than our facial hair. So yeah, I have some of the pieces left on my face which was not really going off. So yeah, I would be going and washing my face, and I would be right back. So yeah, I'm back after washing my face, and as you can see, my face is looking glowing. And yeah, I can actually feel I have like facial hair over here and on my forehead. So yeah, I can feel my forehead more smoother, like here and here. I can feel my forehead smoother. So yeah, it actually works, and this is one of the easiest thing by which you can remove your facial hair at home. So yeah, for me this worked, and it would work for you also. So make sure you try this at home and let me know in the comments below how was it. And yeah, it's a bit painful because I felt a little bit pain when I was removing the mask from here. So yeah, but nonetheless it is worth it because it leaves you with super soft and super smooth and hairless skin. So yeah, this, like, why am I saying soya? Like, why am I repeating soya? So yeah, so this was my video on how you can remove your facial hair at home easily. This was all natural and organic and no chemicals, nothing. So yeah, and most of the recipes which come with the facial hair removal have agar agar or something like that. But yeah, this was the easiest method, I guess. So this was my video on how you can remove your facial hair at home, and yes, I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.